Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Supporting Professor. Today, we would like to study about Pycharm and also we will download it, then we will run the program, right? So, what is Pycharm? Pycharm is a IDE which is stands for Integrated Development Environment, right? Which is invented by JetBrains, right? Now we will go to the browser and right we will go to the browser and then we will search the download Python, right? So this is the official site of JetBrains, right? We will click over here. So there are two versions, right? First is Python Professional, which is paid, and second one is Pycharm Community Edition. So we will download this because it is free. So I will download it. So this is I have already downloaded it, right? So I will click here, right? So we will run it. Now we will click here. So we will then we will go to the next, and this is the site destination, right? We will click over here, click on, then we will go to the next. So we will click all, right? So then we will go to the next. Now we have to install it. So completion, error detection, and debugger and terminal, AIT integration, right? These are the feature of Python. You can click here. You can click here to see the details, right? Here, project. Here. So now